I found this video on YouTube. It's 8 hours of something for cats to watch. I've got 5 and cats, and these 2 are completely mesmerized by watching these birds fly around on this, watching them on the TV screen here. It's a 55-inch 1080p. I guess it looks to them, it looks like the real thing. But they are completely transfixed by the images that that's in this video. Now, I had another video of Fluffy, which is the red kitty, or orange, and he pretty much falls for it. He's kind of like a surfer, stone surfer dude kind of attitude about stuff. But I didn't think Sammy Girl, which is the black one, would go for it, but she's just sitting there watching the birds. Hey, if it keeps them occupied, they're indoor cats, they don't go outside, ever. But if it keeps them occupied, that's a good thing, right?